So do not worry saying, what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear? Matthew chapter 6 verses 31. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Enjoy the Ghana series episode 3. We're about to make fufu and we have cassava fresh from the farm. So yeah, that's what the heat is hitting. See?
Yeah, you know, any old banty.
Hey, Monshe, Charlie. But
Yeah,
all the
all the banty is pro.
all the bunches what?
It's pros.
Oh,
The banty not pro. All the banty is pros. A pro.
quick move. Fufu so so. Sir, why are they? Now awesome. Yeah. Oh, no, that's so far. Then say Eja, because any some of them so muti ye. Uncle Ben, sir.
We baby Jano.
Yeah.
So soon.
But then they okay, but
Banching, I'm saying banching.
too bold. Yeah. The pistle, the Indian, it's pistle. Have to wash it very well. Odaruma. Yes, cassava to clean it. More than also then.
Okay, yeah, too.
in shaky. We have fufu pa what done so be di fufu there. Don't go through all these things.
Actually, mommy, I'm not very well.
What say you?
Because I know the pa. Be a mother.
But then it's so rough.
So man, what does it will be?
Director General of Fufu. Are you cool? We are on the Fufu.
I mean, Fufu, kind of want to. Yeah, they may see how much was asked. I would say, let me when you be cross.
Boy, yeah. To where my nephew and the body na fraka.
Google. Who's me trying to pa?
For still have a deal baby man. Ombre, I need you for I can. Come closer. So,
Yeah.
Okay, well, Yeah, but I think go bomb from my mind.